Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the Chief Revenue Officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to set up your payment information in Seller Central. Let's do this. If you are following along with my screen, we're going to guide you on how to set up your payment information in Amazon Seller Central. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. From the main dashboard, go to the Settings menu in the top right corner and select Account Info. In the Payment Information section, click on Deposit Methods. Here you can add or update your bank account details where you want Amazon to deposit your payments. Click Add a New Deposit Method. Enter your bank account information, including the account holder's name, bank name, account number, and routing number. Double-check the information to make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered all the details, click Submit. Amazon will verify your bank account, which might take a few days. During this period, make sure to check your bank account for any small deposits from Amazon, which you'll need to confirm. Next, go back to the Account Info page and click on Charge Methods under Payment Information. Here, you can add or update your credit card information for paying fees and charges associated with your seller account. Click Add a New Charge Method and enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and billing address. After entering the information, click Submit to save your new charge method. It's essential to keep your payment information up to date to ensure smooth transactions and avoid any disruptions in your seller account. That's it for today's video on how to set up your payment information in Amazon Seller Central. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching.